Marshitnag representing team Upsalt. Our problem statement ID is SIH25012. Problem statement title is Automated Attendance System for Rural Schools. Theme comes under Smart Education. Category is Software. ID is 81920. Our solution is a single-click attendance capture through AI-powered facial recognition. We all have our sweet memories throughout our childhood of the attendance taking process, where the teacher calls of each student's name and writes down their attendance. This comes with multiple problems where the teacher might uh, mis uh, mispronounce the student's name, and the teacher might write down the wrong attendance and multiple things like that, where collectively this becomes a major problem throughout India, where in India there are about 20 crore students and around 15 lakh schools. So more or less there are around 153 students per school, at least in the rural areas. So there are at least 30 to 50 students in each class in the rural areas, where each school consists of at least 5 classrooms, even in the worst case scenarios, or the like the government schools. So our solution is, the teacher clicks one single photo of each classroom and also upload it to our software. What our software does is completely record all the students attendance and manages it and provides it to the government agencies forward. Then what are some of the features, some of the benefits of our overall software is, it's a one click operation and it's not very complex to do for any teacher who is technically backward, and it's an offline first design. The whole process can be completed in the offline itself without the requirement of the connecting to the online, and the database will be pre-registered, which I will explain in the further slides. The manual backup feature is also provided, where if our software by any chance misses the uh, any student, the teacher has the power to manually upload that certain student's attendance. And the automated reporting provides the overall uh, data to the government agencies, and it is very cost effective, considering it can be done through a normal any other smartphone. And the innovation here is, it transforms the 15-minute daily attendance to just 30 seconds while ensuring utmost accuracy. Well, let me explain the technical workflow. uh, uh, Consider this part, where the students photos are captured through various angles at the in the beginning of the academic year itself, and the each student's photo is gone through our pre-processing, and the facial features are extracted through CNN. The facial landmarks and the embedding, the nose, eyes, the chins are all marked down through our software. Then the model training goes on with AI and ML. Then when the classroom picture is taken, each student's face will be recognized, and it will be matched with a previous recorded database, and the attendance is recorded. So what we are providing as a solution, what is the unique proposition here is, in a single photo the software is recognizing almost 70% of the overall students in the class. So consider there are 30 students in the class, and the 20 students are easily recognized through our photo itself because of the clarity. And even the students who are sitting at the utmost back side, they will be recognized through the pre-recorded data set, where even if the photo is not very visible, the clarity has gone down, and they might be not looking in the right direction. What our software does we exclude the 20 recognized students already, and we try to match the remaining 10 students data with the recorded data. So this becomes a match the following at the end, and this can be done in offline itself. And when we are doing just 10 to 20 students at a time, the match the following and all match the following process, it does not require a huge amount of processing power. So the mobile phone is sufficient for this process. And the technologies we'll be using here are XML and Java for the interface, and the SQL, all the SQLs for the database, and OpenCV and TensorFlow For the face recognition, the Python and Django will go on through the AI and ML process, and REST API will be to connect with all the government agencies. And where the simplicity is because of the conceptual workflow. You can see, to when we think about the student or the teacher or the administrator, what is happening is the teacher is just capturing the photo of the whole classroom at one single time, one classroom. Then that data is just sent to the our website, our software. Then the data will be directly recorded. There is no complicated things where the teacher needs to understand multiple things. It's we have simplified the whole process to uh, make sure that there is no hindrance to the overall process. Let's come to the feasibility and viability. So it's very, as I spoke, it is technically very easy, and the facial recognition technology is already present, and the cost per school will be around 5 to 10,000. At the best case it will be 5,000, and the worst case it's 10,000, because the cheapest mobile smartphone right now can also be bought for 5,000 to 6,000. And one single mobile phone can be used across one school. Just it takes one single photo of every student. And the when we come to the social feasibility, the teacher is familiar with the smartphone nowadays, so there isn't an obstacle to learn a new technology or anything. It's very scalable through every single rural school. The risk here are the backup systems. Already we have mentioned that the manual entry option is always provided, and the data recovery is whenever the internet is available, it automatically syncs throughout to the cloud. And the technical support is also provided through the government channels. What are the potential challenges? The challenges will be privacy concerns, the recognition accuracy, device compatibility, internet connectivity, and teacher adoption. All of these I've already spoken in the previous slides. And when coming to especially the privacy concern, the data, the photos or the images of the students will directly be stored in the government authorized website, so there won't be any malpractice through that. What are the impact and benefit? Coming to the time saving, we mentioned the 15 minutes to just 30 seconds per class per day, and the accuracy is improvement where the teacher has missed the students and all. This will be reduced to 20 to 30% in the overall absentees rate. Then the resource optimization is the overall per day. If the teacher captures for every single class the attendance, then there will be time saving of 2 plus hours. And the scale is we can scale this easily across all the rural schools in India. And what are the impacts? The educational impact, where the students and teacher will get more time to study, to learn more things than to uh, maybe waste it on the everyday attendance. And the administrative benefits are the attendance is recorded, and it will be managed through our very easy website, very easy interface, where it's very intuitive, because any administrator or the teacher can easily go through what our website and find out whatever is required. The buttons and the placement of the buttons will be so easily available, and the teacher does not have to be technically sound to go through all of this and find out what they need to do. It's socially and economically very valuable, because it's a very low cost and it's easily implemented across rural states in India. And what are the long term outcomes? When we see that when the absentees error rate go down, there will be more school attendance rate, and this will improve the students mindset to go to schools and be attentive. And the government program effectiveness, in the problem statement itself, the recorded uh, students attendance has to be provided to the government agencies to provide for various schemes like scholarship, the midday meals, and etc. This can be easily provided through our software, where it uploads the recorded attendance to given intervals of time like 2 months or 3 months. And this overall process can easily, the foundation, it's a foundation for the advanced education analytics, because it's a very simple problem. When we think about it, it's just the attendance problem, but in overall India, it has not been automated yet. So it would be a great implementation and move to the future. And these are some of the research and references. We have gone through various uh, articles where they have reported about the rural schools attendance problem, and coming to the technical part, the facial recognition and the more specific model which we have mentioned are also been researched properly. Thank you.